This is the shared parking lot at 2501 West Anderson. The triplex is way down there, a fourplex, and then another fourplex. All are for sale. These other buildings are owned by the Blazer family. Blazer originally built a lot of these brick structures in, when was it? 1964. Now these are better attended than the other ones. There's just, you can see a lot of long-term tenants. Here's one of them now. And so they've had plenty of opportunity to build up a lot of stuff. But what you've got is single-level multifamilies and little grassy areas, brick, parking, and a gato trying to trip me. And then some space in between the buildings. I'm gonna take a walk in here and see what I can show you. Now the landlord, I believe, pays trash and sewer, but the tenants do have separate water meters. And a lot of trip hazards back here. There's some liability associated with that, but we do have central and stucco and gas, an older central, and separate electric meters. I wouldn't expect a landlord meter on electric meter on a building like this, but I do really perceive some deferred maintenance that would require getting whipped into shape. I can't tell what's going on back here. Should we check it out? Wow, this cat, seriously, Gato, what are you doing? Oh, there's an irrigation canal back here, so this might be all easement. I would have to figure it out. I'm gonna guess these units have washer dryer hookups based on the washing machine. I see newer vinyl windows, sprinkler system, some soffit damage. Looks like we are on a crawl. Chipping paint. So this is a fourplex. This is the building with unit 10 in it. Some trip hazards on the concrete. Nice grass. Probably this time of year we'd expect the gutters to be full. And then we've got all this extra space and a dumpster in between this triplex. Oh, and another cat. In between this triplex and the fourplex. And we do have a carport here on the triplex, which is going to, I believe, be this building here. And then there's some storage units in this triplex. And yeah, this is with the one with unit 19. So 19, 20, and 21. So I'm detecting, some projects. One of these units could possibly be shown. And again, this is the entry driveway to get in, and you can see that the other side has some stuff. I probably, oh my gosh. I ought to show this side here. So there's some more dumpsters, a dumpster trailer, and some more buildings with a similar style. There's a shared road maintenance agreement in place, and this is at 2501 West Anderson. Number 19, got some gutters. Where are those gutters going? They need to be extended. I don't know what these little ducks are, but they look thirsty for paint. I like brick. Those should be removed, those hoses. And then we've got some trees fairly close to the property here. And there's some gutters. Those windows are fogged. And then we have another little patio parking area here. And it's right off a really cool section of the North End that's not well traveled. That's a dead end road. And no back doors on any of these. We're not far from Sunset Park.